Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create torn paper effect in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements and here just searching for a man image, right? Sir, why don't you use the image of a handsome man like you? Yeah, my dear friend, we can use that, right? But right now I'm just going to use any other man image, right? Okay, let's select this one, remove the background. Sir, he is looking handsome but not more than you. Yeah, my dear friend, I know that. Okay, right, let's go to the elements and here just simply search for frame. Okay, so we have clicked on all and then clicked on see all frames and here we will simply search for paper. Okay, and as you can see there are some paper frames, right? So whatever the frame you like the most you can simply select that. Okay sir, thank you. Yeah, my dear friend, but you need to watch this video till end to learn something very good, right? Okay sir, I will be here. Okay, let's drop this image over here, right? Let us increase the size. So you are creating something very much good. Yeah, my dear friend, I know that. Let's change the color of the background so that it could be more visible to you, right? Okay. Now what next, sir? We are going to elements and here we will simply search for shape. Go to all, select this shape. Now what next, sir? Okay, and we will choose the same color of background and again over here as well. So you are doing something great. Yeah, my dear friend, I am doing something very great. Okay, we have duplicated it, right? Placed it over here. Now we are going to click on share, then download or current page only, done. Transparent background, clicked on download, clicked on add page, uploads, upload file that we have recently downloaded. Wait, let us click on download without transparent background, right? Sir, I caught you. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Okay, let's click on upload files. The image of man is not downloaded. Let me click on share again, click on download JPG, only the current page, done. Download, upload files, upload the image of this man, drag and drop it over here, change the background to whatever the background color we want, remove the background. Sir, how this happened? Actually we did it, my dear friend. We made it possible, right? So in this manner you can simply create a torn paper effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.